Hey guys, it's Mock Racers Tech here, and today I just bought these $5 Vivitar stereo headphones at Target. So I'm going to unbox them. So I brought this handy knife with me. So yeah. Alright, so I just ripped the tape, just cut it. So trying not to damage his packaging. So just going to pull this out. Alright, so is there anything else in here? Apparently not. So here are the headphones. It's got this in it too. So here's the headphones. These are supposed to be adjustable and foldable. So yeah. Well, I'm not sure if they're foldable or not, but they're supposed to be really adjustable. One sec. Just blew some dust off. So yeah, they look pretty nice. I'm going to be reviewing these headphones in another video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.